In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Venmo to QuickBooks Online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can link your Venmo account to QuickBooks Online. To do this, you will have to sign into your account and access your business overview dashboard. So go into the dashboard, and once you are properly signed in, ready to connect Venmo, use the options at the left. So at the left side of the screen, you have to go over to the Banking tab. So to start this process and find the option to link your Venmo account, go to Banking or the Transactions menu. So when you choose Transactions or Banking, as you can see here, by going down, you will be able to find the option to connect the account. So choose Connect Account under Banking and Transactions, and a new tab will open. Let's get a picture of your profits. So all that you have to do is look for Venmo, and it is going to appear on the list of available results. So go to Banking or Transactions, click Connect Account on the landing page, or if you have already linked different accounts, just look for Add Account instead, and then use the search function to look for Venmo. Choose the matching account type, so in this case, Venmo, and you will be redirected to another page where you can sign in using your Venmo credentials. After this is done, they will take a look at your account, and if everything looks okay, it will be linked and properly added onto QuickBooks Online. Of course, you can link various different other accounts even after linking your Venmo account through the same process. So you head over to the Banking tab, and you choose the option to add new accounts instead. The Venmo account will remain connected, and you can manage other accounts by going over to this menu and linking them from this list here. If you don't see a specific bank or Venmo, just choose the option here, Still cannot find your bank, and they will guide you through what to do if the bank is not appearing. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Venmo to QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.